Oh, dude. That's a good one. Dude, that thing hit it like a little one. And so we're out here on the river doing some wading. Came out here a little while ago. Didn't know what to expect after all the flooding and everything we've had. We could see all where the water went up all the way past those cypress trees and everything. And didn't know what to expect. Didn't know what the water level was gonna be or the clarity. But I'm out here throwing this little pink worm on a wacky, just weightless. And we've been doing pretty good so far. Let me show you guys that. Oh, some small little fish hanging out in his little pool right here. Get it, get it, get it, get it. There it is. Little dude kept pecking at it. That is pretty. Yeah, a little bass. Guadalupe, maybe? No tooth patch. I'm gonna assume that's a guad. Pretty dude. Where's my finger? Huh? Yeah. Yeah, look. 3 inch. Number 3 out of the same little hole. Oh, largemouth. You see one way in the back. He went for it. Oh, no he didn't. There's some tiny little dudes in here. There's a big fish out. Or something, I think. Yeah. This is a little better one. The largemouth. Look at how clear this water is. There's something. Another one. There we go. Pretty dude. Huh? Like 5 or 6? Small ones? But I just saw a pretty big one. Or I spooked it. It's right in front of me. Oh, here comes one, dude. I can see it. Decent one. Come on. Get it, get it, get it. Oh, he got it. Something got it. There it is. Oh, that's a pretty one. Hooked him in the tongue. Let's try to bleed a little bit. Oh, not too bad. There we go. It's a little better one. Dude, I saw that dude swimming upstream. Cast it over about 5 feet in front of him. He went for it. Oh, dude, there's something chasing right there. Yeah. There's a big deep hole right there. We're gonna catch whatever's chasing bait. Dude, there's a bunch of little bass right in front of me. Right here. Come on, get it. Oh, dude, one got it. That's funny. Dude, there's like 5 sitting right there. And only this little dude went for it. All the other ones just swam right by it. Oh, what was that? Oh, dang. I don't know why I set the hook like that. I wasn't paying attention. Dude, I got stuck in the tree. Ow. Get out of there. There's 2 right here, straight ahead. I can see them because the water's so shallow. Let's see if they'll go for it. Oh, a little tiny one head in its mouth. Dude, I think if I switch to a smaller hook, I would land a lot more of these little dudes. But I was kind of hoping we can catch something with some size. You guys see those fish? Kind of. I don't know what they are. Carp, maybe? One got it. I saw that dude come eat it. Little dude. Oh, reeling it in, I saw a dude come over and run away with it. Check that out. Small or not, it is cool wading in the river, just being able to catch some fish. Dude. Somebody lost their phone. There's one in that little hole. Nice. Pretty good one. There we go, that's a little bit better one. Alright. Let's try to go across. Hopefully it's not too deep. It's a little deeper right here. Ooh. There's something back there. Oh, what was that? Little dude, look at that. That's the smallest one of the day. Look how pretty he is. Look at that. These are the dudes that have been pecking at it. I can't catch it. This one. Here we go. Decent one. Oh, dude, that's a good one. Dude, that dude hit it like a little one. There we go. Oh, dude. Finally. Dude, that's the one we've been looking for. Dude, that guy pecked at it. I thought it was another tiny one. Yes. Dude, that's like a 16-incher. But he's fat. 2-pounder at least. Alright, let's let this guy go. Yeah. And these fish that I've been catching, some of them have been really shallow, man. I'm talking inches of water. Where you wouldn't think there'd be any fish, but they're there. Breeze feels nice. There's something. Oh, we got it. That little dude. Hey. Man, look how pretty these dudes are. They're small. Really pretty. Kinda wanna hit that other side, but I'm gonna work the rest of this bank here. Maybe up to that point, and then maybe come down that side. Oh, dude, that's a good one. Better one at least. There we go. Finally getting on some size. That's a good one, dude. There's teeth on this dude. Healthy, pretty fish. All right, bigger ones are on this side. I've been catching them, the tiny dudes. Actually, they tell you fish upstream, but I've been fishing downstream and we're still catching them. So just trying to be stealthy with it. Oh, dude. It's hot out here. Trying to stay in the shade. Oh, there's something else. Oh, another decent one. Or just strong. He's all right. Strong dude though. Come on, there we go. There we go. Pretty dude. You would think you can't catch any fish with all this people floating by and the noise. Still catching them. People tubing and having a good time. Oh, dude, there's something there, but I don't know if it was a bass. Oh, some by this log. Dude, that guy looked tiny from over here. Not a bad one. Got him on the tongue, I think. There we go. A lot of noise and everything. Still able to catch one. Alright. I actually saw that dude and threw it over there. Started shaking it and he went for it. Probably gonna fish some of this right here and then turn around, start hitting back. There's a lay down, little deep pocket. It's gotta be a fish there. There, I see one. Got it. Oh, man. All right. This dude had it looked kind of deep. I had to cut him off, but he's all right. Had to cut off the only hook that I brought with me. Probably not a smart thing. But I do have a little Ned rig, so we're gonna tie that on and walk back. See if we can get a few more. Really wish I would have brought another hook with me. There we go. Look at that guy. On the Ned rig. Alright. Well guys, I had to jump in here at the end because as I'm editing this video, I remembered that I had ran out of battery out on the water. So we're gonna end it there. A little bit different than some of my other videos. But thank you guys for watching and we'll see you all in the next one.